Working with paragraph styles and character styles in InDesign. So when you are working with text in InDesign in things like magazines or book design or pamphlets or anything that would have um, a lot of text flowing through the document, using paragraph styles and character styles are very handy, as you will see. So styles help to maintain consistency and efficiency when you're formatting your text. They apply to specific words or letters if it's the character style, and the paragraph style controls the formatting of entire paragraphs. And the type settings provide advanced fine-tuning options. And the source material for this lecture came from this Adobe article on their website. Okay, so character styles are applied to individual words, letters, or characters. They control font, size, color, kerning, and baseline shift. They're also useful for emphasis, such as bold, italics, or color changes. How to create a character style. You do the pull-down menu down to the styles option, and then select character styles. You hit the little plus sign at the bottom of the palette and create a new character style, you name it, and then you customize the settings with the font, size, and color, etc. Then you go back into your document and apply it to selected text. With your paragraph styles, they control the formatting for the entire paragraph on that page. They adjust alignment, spacing, indentation, and hyphenation. They ensure consistency in body text, headings, and subheadings. To format those, you do the pull-down menu window down to styles and select paragraph styles. You click the new paragraph style with the little plus sign and name it, and then you customize the settings for font alignment and spacing, etc. Then you go back into your document, apply the style to a paragraph. So in terms of the more fine tuning of your text, letting adjust the line spacing of your text. Tracking adjusts space between all letters. Kerning adjusts space between specific letter pairs. Justification controls text spacing in justified alignment. And hyphenation determines word breaks at line ends. And you have the ability to control all of these functions with the paragraph and character style controls. And to adjust your type settings, you go pull down window, type in tables. Okay, so let's take a look at what this actually looks like in a document. So you'll see I have an InDesign document that has a combination of both text and images. And I have it set up with a double column for my text on the left-hand side of the page. On the right-hand side, I have a single box for the images. So it's left-hand text, right-hand images. I could certainly go in and move anything around. It's very flexible that way. Now, in terms of my adjusting my text in the document, once again, to access your paragraph and character styles, you grab the pull down to styles, and you've got character styles and paragraph styles that you can open up, and then they show up in the palettes on the right-hand side. So there's my paragraph, and there is my character styles. All right, let's start with character styles. If I want to create a new style, I head down to the plus sign down here and double click it to edit. I like to name the character style what I've actually done to the, I can keep it too, but I want to say Helvetica. 30 and bold. So then when I go into my document, anything I select with my type tool, I can then apply that new character style. That was my first character style that I'd done. There was the second one that I put in the document. This is the one I just created. And again, type tool, select, apply, type tool, select, apply, right? So those are so handy because you can either go back in, add new, like create new styles to update it, or you can actually go to your original style. Because you see, I've got it flowing through the document, double click it. You can go into your basic character formats and pick a new font. And I'm actually going to rename it so I know what's going on. And that automatically updates it all through the document, right? So same idea with paragraph styles. I have various ones that I have created, and I've applied it through the document. You can click on it and it'll tell you what it is when you go through your document, right? And once again, if I want to update that, I can double click it. I have all of the other options on the pull downs if you want to get more detailed into what you are adjusting with your um, paragraph styles. You can also name it so you can keep track of what's going on. And everywhere that I have applied that style in my document, it automatically updates it. So this is really handy when you are doing things like book design or magazine design, where you may have to change a whole lot of text all through the document. And if you have applied your paragraph styles and your character styles, it is really easy to do because all you have to do is go in and do a one click and update the style, and it'll update your entire document. So I would definitely recommend, if it's more than a one or two pager, that you always use paragraph styles for your text in your InDesign documents. I definitely always do it. It's very handy. And that is character styles and paragraph styles in InDesign.